What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today has been a pretty bad day for me. I got 2 losers in a row. Whatever. Honestly, I was kind of expecting, to be honest. I don't know. I had this feeling that something's not right. Yeah. So real quick, the Bull Nugs added back on their 90% off, so until the 19th. So that's there. And yeah, let's talk about the chart real quick. When I came in, I saw this range price action. I was like, great. Another range, choppy day, probably. Saw this kind of like a triple test type of thing going on, multiple tests. Did not take this. I don't know, I wasn't really feeling it at the time. So, and then finally, there is actually a second entry short here. But then again, it's one of these trades that, you know, I don't like taking shorts into like this support here, because sometimes you get this little, you know, a little wick or whatever, or next candle will just do like a 1 tick thing and then just reverse back up. So I don't like taking those. So Mac will probably say go for it. I don't know, whatever. But I don't like this. And then once I saw this move down, I was like, we're probably gonna get a break of this channel, and we're probably not gonna get a setup. And that's exactly what happened. There was just no fucking setup, and it's so frustrating. So at the time, I actually had a correction, something like this. As you can clearly see, we have a channel working up, break, 2 legs up, perfect measured move. I was like, great, perfect measured move, 2 legs up, let's go. Looking for a retest of the lows. Nothing. 2 giant ass candles, and that's it. You got a lower high here. Can't go short there. That's not the right setup. Then finally saw this, a second entry long failure, because you have a new high, first entry, second entry long failure. I was like, cool, this looks great. Let's retest the lows. Market said nope, we're gonna go even higher. I was like, okay, great. Got stopped out, fantastic. And then we have this kind of like a double top here, which I thought about taking this this trade. The risk was very minimal, so you know, after the loss, I was in the right mindset to take the trade just yet. So you know, if I didn't have this loss, I probably would have taken it, just because of the context. But then we also get this lower high here. There's actually a lower high here on this candle, but again, I don't like going short into the EMA. I don't like that setup, so decided to skip it. You got another one here. Can't go short there. The bar is too freaking big, and I had to be patient. There's actually an entry here, because you do get a retest of this lows basically by 1 tick, this bar right here. So technically speaking, I could have went long here. Again, small risk, 1.5 points. I should have risked that. Actually, no, wait, what time was this? Oh yeah, this 11. I was actually on break. So the green arrow and the black arrow right here, I was actually walking my dogs, so I didn't even see it. Higher low here, came back, saw this kind of a failure. So you have like new low here, first entry short, second entry short failure. I got in a little bit late and got stopped out. I was targeting this swing high right here, these little area right here. I mean, the trade was about 2 3/4 in the money. But I didn't want that. I wanted to test these highs, which I think eventually we will, because it looks like we're just in the range here. And that's my day. So I just hate days like this where the market doesn't really give you a setup. I really hate that. It's frustrating because, you know, I read the market correctly. I was anticipating for the right setups. Never really happened. And it's just frustrating. It's frustrating, and you get, you know, big signal bars that you can't go take a trade in. It's, I don't know. I'm ready for some simple price action, like back like a year ago, 2 years ago, that we had just simple, you know, move up, simple move down with a simple break and simple entries, right? This garbage is just like, let's you know, let's move on from this, right? Let's get to the good part, right? Because I don't know, this whole year has been difficult to trade, in my opinion, just super difficult. But anyways, yeah, $300 down in a day. It is what it is. No big deal. I'll hopefully make it back tomorrow. But that's all I got for the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.